outcropping and looking down. So I'll take a real quick trip up there and see what's going on with the outcropping. You gotta watch out for these holes because they could have snakes in them. But anyway, just across there is where we're staying at the Narrows. I think I'm gonna be more careful about where I'm hiking because what's going on underneath these little holes. I'm more worried about snakes than anything else. Even more so than the poison oak. But anyway, so I'm going to do is come down again and take the ride behind the Blue Lake High Road Lake. High Road. It's called Little Blue Lakes Road, and see if I can find the open spot there and get a little quick short video from there too. Okay, here we go. Back across these burrs and tall foxtail, whatever it is. Yeah, all this has been left over from the firefighters last year. Signs of them being in here, cutting trees back, cutting limbs. Thank God they were able to save it. So anyway, it was nice. It solved my curiosity. It's always good to look when you're not sure. And I didn't have to climb that big embankment here. Better yet, that would have been a bear. See how pretty these trees are? They're all pushed together in their beautiful strip bark. These are the madrone trees again, all strip bark. Very pretty. And there's the road over there. Always keep my eye on the road ahead of me. There's a nice little creek that runs through here. See, this is where the snakes would go in the evening time to get their water, right down along the creek here. That's where the trees get their water for the root system. And make a quick crossover. So I was thinking I was going to have to climb up somewhere over here on this side, but no, there was a much more gradual easement over here that I was able to take advantage of. I thought I was going to have to traipse my way up this bluff right here, but no, it's cool. I got a nice little side approach. The water really rushes down through here when the winter rains. You can see it bust right through. They have a channel. What do you call those? What's the word for a runoff ditch there, right across from there. The people see they're doing their rope swinging into the water. And me, the curious Bigfoot researcher, had to get over here and see what's going on. Always have to. My curiosity sometimes gets the best of me. I hope I don't pay the price with the poison oak either. Yep. But it was worth it. Definitely worth it. Okay, I got my sticks. Over and out for now. Thank you for joining me.